Okay, a very good morning to all of you, my dear students. So already we have gone through so many classes on Laplace transforms because the syllabus is very big on Laplace transform. We have gone through impulse step, sinusoidal response. No, we have gone through only step response of RL, right? And transient analysis for different electrical circuits. I have discussed. Do you know what is the time constant of RL circuit, RC circuit? You have to know that this, because in exam you can face these types of question paper, right? How can you get the RL transient value? I mean time constant of RL circuit, time constant of RC circuit. Okay, mind it. Now today I will discuss regarding, just I'm sharing. So what is the time constant of RL circuit? Mukul,
L
can you
by
give
R,
me the
ma'am.
answer?
L by R.
Yes.
Time taken for the current to reach 63% of its
Yes, this
final
is the
value.
definition. This is the definition. Okay, very good. But what is the value of that? L by R, Shamrik has told. And what is the value of time constant in case of RC circuit?
Ma'am, 1
Tell
by
me.
RC.
No.
RC.
RC.
Ma'am,
Right,
it's
good.
RC.
Yes, RC. You are too good. Okay. Now come to this slide. Is this a repetitive function? Yes or no? This is a square wave. There
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
repetitive function starting from 0, after t, after 2t. So it will repeat after 2t. Okay. So how can you determine the Laplace transform of this repetitive function? So first of all, you have to write the function in a particular structure. After that, you will be able to determine the Laplace transform. Fine. So just concentrate this part. Okay. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
So Mukul, what is the, just concentrate this part. This is a step function having value 1, that is unit step function.
Yes, ma'am.
Taina, Nandini. So how can you represent this function? UT. Am I correct?
Yes,
Abhishek,
ma'am.
am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If it comes down, so this is the time. What was your idea regarding if it starts from the time capital T? What will be? UT minus capital T. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Shomnath, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the background noise. Please mute yourself. Who is creating noise? So this is capital T. If this function starts from capital T, so the function will be represented by ut minus t. Already you know that. So that will be subtracted from this one, minus ut minus t. Again ut minus t because it comes down. So minus ut minus t. After that, so this is the get function. Already I have explained you. How can you get the get function? The function starts from here. If you want to stop the function, you have to subtract the function. Right now? So this is that one. And because it comes down, so you have to again subtract it. After that, it goes up. So if you want to make it goes up, so what will happen? You have to add ut minus 2t because after 2t it will goes up. So t minus 2t, again ut minus 2t because this and that, this is double ut minus 2t, ut minus 2t. Again minus ut minus 3t. Is it clear to all of you? How can I get this representation of this total function? This is repetitive function. Is there any query regarding this equation of the square wave? Is there any query from anybody? Am I audible,
No, ma'am.
Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
আমাদের ল্যাটারাল স্টুডেন্ট যারা আছো, কোনো কোয়ারি আছে বাবা তোমাদের?
ম্যাম আরেকবার এই জায়গাটা ওয়েবটা একটু বুঝিয়ে দেন।
রূপাঞ্জন,
মাইনাস
শান্তনু, সৌরভ, সুপ্রিয়, তমজিৎ, উৎসব, সমৃক.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students are there. Okay, somebody is asking me a question. Who is asking?
ম্যাম সমরিক।
Shamrik, what is your question, please?
ম্যাম এই ওয়েভের এখানটা যে মাইনাস টি মাইনাস ক্যাপিটাল টি হলো, তারপরে আবার মাইনাস দুবার করে মাইনাসটা কেন হলো একটু বুঝতে পারলাম।
Okay, okay. Concentrate first this one. Okay, so Shamrik, so this starts from here. So what is the representation of this unit step function? Ut, simple, ut. যার ল্যাপ্লাস কি হয় 1/s. Fine. Now it comes down to this one. So if it comes down to this one, then it will be represented by minus ut minus t. Is it clear? Because it is from capital T. Again it comes down. For this two reason you have to use here to ut minus t, because you have to make it up. ठीक है?
আচ্ছা
Similarly, ut minus 2t, again ut minus 2t, both. Again it starts from exactly ut minus 3t, ut minus 3t. Okay.
আচ্ছা
চলো।
বুঝতে পেরেছি এবার।
Take the
ম্যাম নিচের ওইটা নেওয়া লাগবে না?
ম্যাম বলছি
নিচের যে ওই যেটা ইউটি নিলেন ওপরের থেকে, ওটা ওই নিচের থেকে নেওয়া লাগবে না? নিচের ওইটার থেকে
এইটা বাবা, এটা
মাউস
one?
পয়েন্টার দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
which one? Just tell me which one.
ম্যাম ওই যে মাইনাসের দিকে যেটা আছে, মানে যেটা আপনি প্লাসের দিকে ইউটি নিলেন,
Mhm.
মানে এই নিচের যে স্ট্রেটটা, মানে ওই ছোটটা, ওইটা আলাদা করে নেওয়া লাগবে না?
Mouse is not visible.
হ্যাঁ এখন ভিজিবল। হ্যাঁ 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 ওইটা ওইটা।
This one.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
This is for this.
না
This
না
is
ওটা
not
না, ওই যে
actually-
নিচে সাইডটা। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ওইটা।
5. This one.
হ্যাঁ 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 ইয়েস ম্যাম।
So this is ut minus t. Ut minus t. Exactly, this is ut minus t. Because the function starts after t minus t. After the time capital T. This is the representation of this one.
ওকে ওকে ঠিক আছে।
Okay, now take the Laplace of this one. What is the Laplace of ut, Abhishek?
1/s.
Then what is the Laplace of shifting function ut minus t? Because of ut, it will be 1/s. And what is the
1/s.
contribution of
e to
this
the power
one?
minus tx by s.
Yes, e to the power minus ts. Again e to the power minus 2ts by s. Again e to the power minus 3ts by s. So take the common 1/s. If you take the common 1/s from this equation, what you will get?
ম্যাম ব্লক হয়ে গেল।
1 minus 2 e to the power minus ts. Again common 1 minus e to the power. So you can write here 1, 2 e to the power minus ts. It will be 1 minus e to the power minus ts. Okay. Chalo. So this is complete. This is the how can we determine the Laplace transform of this square repetitive wave having the amplitude 1. Okay. And periodic time is 2t because it again starts after the time 2t. I think it is clear to all of you. Fine. Now come to this triangular function. It is very important. This is a pure triangle, and if you add, can you follow the mouse pointer? Do you follow? Hello, I am there.
Yes, ma'am.
ম্যাম আগের অঙ্কটার অ্যানসারটাতে tan h টা কোথা দিয়ে আসছে?
The hyperbolic. If you take this
Oh,
one, you will automatically you will get it. Okay, now come to this one. I think if I want to explain this, I have to open a PPT slide, okay? So, okay, just what is the structure? Just write down in your copy first, okay? You have to write the structure of this function. Each and everybody will write it. This is very important. Just see it. After that, I will explain in PPT if you need it. This is a triangle. Can you anybody tell me this is a basically what type of function? Combination of what? If you consider this one, what is the function?
RAM function.
RAM function.
কে কি বললি? একজন বললি র্যাম, অভিষেক র্যাম বললো, আর একজন কি বললি?
RAM কি বললাম?
RAM কি বলেছিস? Okay, fine. This is RAM function. একদম ঠিক. So this will go up if you don't consider this one. This is go up. Am I correct, Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the representation of this RAM function? Simple what? Y equal to mx. That is t. M equal to what? Perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? L by 2. What is base? L. So L by, am I correct or not?
The
I'm sorry.
perpendicular is L.
I'm sorry. Perpendicular is L. So L by 2. So it will give 2. Fine. Fine. So y equal to mt. So m is equal to 2. And rt equal to basically t. It is represented by rt. Up. Is it clear to all of you? Just tell me yes or no. The representation of this function. Only this one. Just follow the mouse. Is it clear? The RAM representation of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
কারোর প্রবলেম থাকলে বলতে পারিস, আমি রিপিট করব, বা না বুঝে ইয়েস বলবি না।
ম্যাম আরেকবার বুঝিয়ে দিন ম্যাম।
বলছি, জাস্ট ফোকাস দিস ওয়ান। ক্যান ইউ ফলো দ্য মাউস পয়েন্টার?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
So this is a simple RAM function. What will be the equation of this straight line? Basic idea. What is the equation of this straight line? Y equal to mx. So what is m? M is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. So what is perpendicular? Small l divided by L by 2. So it will give m equal to 2 into t, mt. Because it is RAM function, it is represented by rt. Basically, this is 2t. Plain and simple. This is 2t.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
নন্দিনী এখন ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে?
Yes, ma'am.
চলো এবারে জাস্ট ফলো করো, this RAM function will continue up to this. Fine. So come to an PPT. Hence, I will explain. Have you written the function in your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. So the function is like this. Very bad. Actually, the digital pen is not with me right now. Okay. So this is L by 2 and this is L. So what I want to say, this is L, this is T, and this is represented by RT. Now it is better compared to previous one. So if you focus this line, this will go up, right now. So already we have determined the representation of this RAM function. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So like this. This is another one, and this is again another one. Fine. So if you want to make this up down, then you have to write what? Minus 2R TL minus 2, because it starts from L by 2. Just mind it. This, if the RAM function starts from L by 2, what will be the representation of this RAM function? Bolo, shifted RAM. That will be what? The slope
Ma'am,
T.
negative slope.
No. If this RAM starts from this one, not starting from that one, এখান থেকে start না করে আমার shift হলো L by 2 time এ shift হলো, তাহলে আমরা কি লিখি? T minus L by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
T minus L by 2. So this is the slope, and TL minus 2 by 2, definitely T will be there, right? So how can you represent this one? Because this is represented by the slope into T minus L by 2, basically slope R T minus L by 2. Is it clear? এই দেখ, যদি এখান থেকে শুরু হতো র্যামটা, তাহলে কি হতো? If this starts from this one, it will be RTL minus 2. Again it comes down, so again this will be added here. Okay, এটা একটু মাথায় রাখবি। আর তা না হলে you can do like this, take a simple straight line and give the constraint of that one. This will be what? This will be up to the time T less than equal to 0 and equal to L by 2. Is it correct? Simple this function, simple this one, simple if you consider extract this one. So this will be up to what? Capital L by 2 max value. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be the equation? What will be the equation? This is the first coordinate. This is the second coordinate. But this is different method. How can you get it? So what will be the equation? y2 minus y1. Bolo? y2 minus y1 divided by y. That is equal to what? x2 minus x1 divided by x. Do you remember? So what is y2 here? What is y2? y2 means what is the coordinate of this one? What is the coordinate of this one? Bolo? This is capital L here. So this is L by 2, comma capital L. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
L. And what is the equation? What is the coordinate of this one? 0, 0. So y2 will be what? y2 will be what? y2 will be? Ball?
0.
y2, not y1.
1 by x.
And then y2 will be
L.
L.
L, ekdom. y2 is L. And what is y? 1, y1 is 0 because this is 0, 0. This is 0, 0. And what is x2? What is x2?
L by 2.
L by 2, fine. And what is x1?
0.
0. 0, fine. So what is this? Repeat call. L minus 0 divided by y, that is equal to L by 2 minus 0 divided by x. So simplifying this, you will get y equal to 2x. যেটা আমি প্রথমেই বলেছিলাম y equal to 2x, that is 2t. আমরা কি বলেছিলাম? y equal to 2t because 2 is
Yes, ma'am.
so this is another method if you want to get this. Now come to original one. Come to this one. Hey, দেখো. Do you remember what I have explained? This will go up. Again, this will go like this. Can I draw any line over there? No. Can I
No,
draw
ma'am.
any line over there?
You can only highlight.
Where is the highlight?
I'm home. And there highlight.
Only highlight, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's not acting.
Ma'am, I think it is not possible here since it is an image file, so it will not
Yeah,
get
yeah, yeah.
highlighted.
Anyways, so if go up, after that this, after that. Already I have explained in the PPT. Okay. So first one is 2RT minus L by 2. This is again it comes down. So it will be again 2RT minus L by 2. For this reason you are getting 4RT L minus 2. Now it is 2RT minus 1 because it will go down. So if you stop here, want to stop here, you have to add T minus. This is not A1. This is basically L. Mind it. You will correct it. Abhishek, it will be L, right? Because it starts, if the function starts from here, it will be RT minus L. Pick it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
তাহলে it will be T minus L. আর একটা জিনিসও দেখো, এটা L টা মিস হয়ে গেছে, এখানে L আসবে একটা। এটা কি ঠিক হয়েছে? হয়নি। What is the Laplace of this one? 2 by a square. What is the Laplace of this one? 4 by a square e to the power minus L ls by 2. L টা মিস আছে এখানে। Do you remember what is the shifting Laplace of shifting function?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
E to the power minus as. Do you remember? If it is shifted by a particular a, then it will be e to the power minus as will be there. The particular function into e to the power minus as, right? আমি কি আবার দেখাবো একবার? This one, if it is shifted by e to the power minus st, it will be e to the power 1 by s minus a. Okay, that is the shifted one. Go there. Go there. Shifting theorem. No, this is not. E to the power 80, yes. No, this is not. No, this is not. This is shifting theorem. If it is shifted by, yeah, this one. E to the power minus t naught s. T naught s means capital Ts or L by 2s. Do you follow it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you follow it? The particular Laplace of that particular function into e to the power minus the time through which it is shifted into s. I think it is clear. Now come to again the, yes. So for this reason it is here, e to the power minus this one. So actually L will be here. You will correct it. So up to this it is clear. This repetitive function is clear. And this triangular wave function is clear. And after that, if you go to the repetitive again, you have to do again. Now come to this problem. Come to this problem. So this is a very important problem. This is a basically switching circuit. Fine. And in most of the exam, you will face the problem. So what is the problem? The circuit in the figure is initially under steady state condition. Okay. So this is the switch. The switch is moved from position 1 to position 2 at t equal to 0. Find the current after switching. So if you consider the switch number 1. So what will be the circuit, Abhishek? Consider the switch number 1. Onchito acho? Onchito, are you there? Hey, am I audible?
আছি ম্যাম আছি
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Onchita bolo. If you move the switch here, then what will be the structure of the function? It will be like this. It will be like this.
Ma'am, the 20 volt will be in series with that R1 and L.
20 volt will be series with R1 and L. Fine. Then what will be the current passing through it at initial condition? 20 by 10. That is 2 ampere.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
come to the switch. Bring the switch to the position 2. Then the potential, battery will be there? No. The circuit will be like this. R2, R1 and L. Fine. কি অঞ্চিতা বুঝতে পারলি? If you move the switch from 1 to 2, what will happen? It will be R1, R2 and L.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the equation? If the switch is at position 2, it will be L di dt into L di dt plus I into R1 plus R2, because drop across R1, Ohm's law, I into R1, and drop across R2, it will be R1 into I. So if you add R1 plus R2 and take the common I, then because there is no source in this loop, then it will be 0 according to KVL. Shomrik, বুঝতে পেরেছিস?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এই সুইচের আগে কি ছিল, সুইচের পরে কি হলো? এভরিথিং ইজ ক্লিয়ার টু অল অফ ইউ? সোমনাথ ভট্টাচার্য, ডিড ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? আমাকে এক্সপ্লেন করো, সোমনাথ এক্সপ্লেন করো হোয়াট আই হ্যাভ টোল্ড রাইট নাও।
ইয়েস ম্যাম, ওই 1 এর সাথে যখন সুইচ 1 কাজ করছে তখন 20 এর সাথে রেজিস্ট্যান্স R1 এন্ড L হচ্ছে সিরিজে হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
একদম,
কারেন্ট
কারেন্ট কত পাচ্ছ? 20 by 10. ওকে ফাইন, that is the initial current. Okay, now come to the switch from 1 to 2, then what will happen?
তখন R2 এর সাথে 20 তখন কাজ করবে উইথ L।
The switch is position 2.
শুধু R2, R1 আর L টা কাজ করবে তখন ক্লোজ সার্কিট।
This will be closed circuit, R1, R2, L without the battery. So this is the equation for the second case. So if you take the Laplace, what will happen? What is the Laplace of this one? Already I have explained in the previous class, I think in the first class. The Laplace of differentiation of this one, that is the di dt, SIS minus IL of 0. This is the equation of the Laplace transform of, do you remember differentiation theorem? This is plus R1 plus R2 into IS. Okay, I is the variable here. So what is IL? Already I have calculated here 2. So put the value 2 here. 2. SIS 2 and R1 R2 equal to what? 10 ohm.
বলছি
Yes,
লাইনটা
yes.
একবার বুঝিয়ে দেবেন আরেকটু?
কোনটা বল?
L di dt plus R1 plus R2 into I, এটা বুঝিয়ে দিন।
কে বলছে এটা? সমরিক?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
Consider the switch position of switch here. So if you make
এটা
the
বুঝতে
switch
পারছি,
position here,
সার্কিটটা নিয়ে কোনো প্রবলেম নেই।
এবার এই সার্কিটটা কেন বুঝতে পারছিস না? What is the drop across this total circuit? What is the drop across R1? R into I. What is the drop across R2? R2 into I. What is the drop across L? L di dt. So right, this one.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
Okay. Now take Laplace of this one. We have taken the Laplace of this one. Now put the value. IL 0. This is equal to 2 ampere. Put it. And what is R1, R2? 10, 10. What is L? 4 Henry. So putting all this value, you'll be able to get IS equal to 8 by 4S plus 20. Now do you remember? If it is 1 by S plus A, what will be the inverse of that? E to the power minus 80. Right? So this is, answer is 2 e to the power minus 5t. Basically, this is the simple Laplace, and you have to take the inverse Laplace of this one. So it will be e to the power minus 2 e to the power minus 5t. So this is our answer. Is it clear to all of you? This is very important.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now all the best for your exam. It will be started from 8 p.m. Okay. Most of the students are
Thank you, ma'am.
absent.
Okay, ma'am.
Most
Thank you.
of the students are present. Present or
Ma'am, most
absent?
of the students
Ma'am,
present.
maximum are present.
Okay, maximum I'm present. And one thing is that the time will be allotted from 9 to 10. If any, 8 to 9. And if anybody requests me, ma'am, I am not able to give the exam within that time, it will not be possible. Okay. I am giving you so much time. Okay, now just a minute.